amazing scientist. I have on my lab coat today because we scientists have something that we have to research. We have to investigate and find out what are the properties of sound. Sound. Those are the things that we hear, sounds. So what are we going to do today? I'll tell you what we're going to do. We are going to use words to describe sounds. What words might I use to describe a sound? It's loud. Oh, wait. I think I wrote some here. Oh my gosh, I did. Loud. Calm. Sharp. Quiet. How about high pitch and low pitch? That sounds like something in music. But loud might be a siren coming down the street, that big fire truck. Woo, 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 woo. Quiet might be when somebody whispers something to you. Or you could have your guitar. I've still got my guitar here. And let's look at some of the sounds. Because when we get done, you are going to make sounds and describe them with words. That's right. You are going to do it and let your parents know if you're going to do something loud or shrill. Let your parents know so you don't scare them to death. We got to make sure we don't scare them, okay? So, let's look at this box guitar. I don't know how many of you made some, but I loved watching your videos from last week. They were so good. I was so proud of you. So let's look at this and see if we have... Ooh, that's not real loud. Let's see if I can find something that's loud. Maybe. What if I pop this? Is it going to be loud? Or is it just going to fizzle? Let's find out. That was loud. Woo! Can we do it again? I like loud. Let's see what happens this time. 1, 2, 3. Cover your ears. Uh-oh. That one wasn't loud. That one popped silently. It just gave a little poof. So we had a loud one. Oh, the bottom blew out of that one. And we had a poof, a soft one, or a quiet one. So those are two words that describe a sound, and that's what a property is. A property is something that describes a sound or something that describes a person. You could describe me with brown hair. You could describe the sounds as loud and quiet. Let's see if we can describe them a different way. Now, as a scientist, I'm thinking there are more sounds than just a pop and a poof. And scientists are always thinking. And I know you are too. So you are a scientist. So let's see what we can do with some other sounds. Oh. Uh-oh. I see something fun. All right, here we go. Let's see how we can describe this sound. That was a clang. Ooh, that was a loud clang. Ooh, that was kind of a ding. A soft bell. Oh, but last week when we did the two pans, they made cymbals and made loud noises. So, ding, loud, quiet. Let's see if we can get a high sound and a low sound. And that is what we're going to do with our guitar. Now, the box guitar, was pretty easy to make. It just had 3 different rubber bands. And this one is real skinny and tight. Listen to this sound. Ooh. That sounds kind of high, doesn't it? That's a high twang. What about this one? Thump. Let's try one more time. Thump. Low sound. That's high sound, low sound. And that's the pitch. Pitch is a word that describes a sound by being high or low. So we can have a high pitch with this skinny string, and we can have a low pitch with the fatter string. So there's ways that you can make sounds have different properties. And you can do that by how hard that you drum, because now my guitar is going to become a drum. So if I'm on a marching band, I want a loud sound. If I'm in my house and my husband's sleeping in the next room, I don't want a loud sound. But I can still hear the beat. So you can change sounds. You can change the properties of sound, the ways that you describe them, by the ways that you use them. So what I want you to do is I want you to be the scientist you are and find some objects around the house. You might even find a musical instrument you could use. You could use a real guitar or a real drum or whatever you have. Who has a horn? Ooh, if you could use a horn, oh, that would be wonderful. Even a kazoo. You can make those sounds. And it says, I will make sounds and describe them with words. So once again, what words might we use to describe a sound? We can use loud and quiet, high pitch, low pitch, sharp. Oh, what's a sharp sound? Let's think about it. When that smoke alarm goes off, beep, beep, beep. That is a sharp sound. So it'll wake you up and make you safe. But we can have a calm sound, like a lullaby, or something that your mom sings to you, or Granny, or Daddy sometimes sings to help you go to sleep. Something that just makes you happy. Oh, my voice isn't going to make you happy, but somebody's voice will. So just a calming voice that sound makes you feel warm inside, makes you feel loved. Those are nice calming sounds. So your job today is going to be make 4 sounds, and describe them with words. Now, once again, you can make a video, because I love those videos. I get to put them in your backpack. You can make a video. You can make a recording of your voice and post it onto Classroom. You can write the words that you use. You could say, I made a loud sound with a pan and a spoon. Because this would be, I'm going to make a loud sound. I'm going to wake my husband up. Here we go. I made a loud sound with an old pan and a spoon. I made a quiet sound with a box drum. You could put those words in. So I want you to think about it. Surprise me. Find something new and interesting. And show me and tell me about the sounds that you make. I love you. This is Scientist Holthauser signing off. I'll see you guys later.